Okay, first, before we do anything else, is this pee? It was a block of ice or something that was frozen that kept the door. That it kept the door open. I mean, the window. It kept the window open, but it wasn't all the way up, so it could come back down when it melted. It unlocked by itself. But again, what could they use the window for? But anyways, I'm gonna end it here for the YouTube people. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Alright? Alright. Ken out. What's up? Welcome back, my YouTube peoples. Hope you're having a great day. This is where we left off. We figured out there's some type of block of ice that was keeping this open, and it melted, which is why there's water stuff right here. At least that's what we're assuming.
The bottom of the window is wet.
Maybe some rain got in when you opened the window earlier.
No, the parts starting to dry are leaving stains. This didn't get wet just now.
Then maybe it's the tears from the nailed dolls.
Definitely.
No more horror stuff!
Isn't death considered horror? How do you
More
like?
dolls? Here too? These two are lined up and nailed together.
Yeah, there might have been something hanging from
Huh?
there.
What's this? A yellow thread is attached to the nail in the doll. On a closer look, it seems the thread left marks on the nail. What could it mean?
So since they're like both up there at the same height, maybe it was like something was propped up against both nails. But if there's threads and I don't know, man. Y'all speculate and tell me in the comments what y'all think is what's going on. Right now, I really have no clue. I thought there was ice, but it's probably something else since there's nails here.
This is suspicious. You should remember this.
Very. What could it have been? Was the freak, bro? Those nails completely threw off my train of thought. I don't know what to think now. Okay, so if there was ice and it melted, was there something inside of the frozen ice that was attached to the strings that's being held on here? Or maybe the rain did come in when, no. Dang it! Maybe there were strings holding something on the outside. So the strings tied to the nails. The ice was propping the window open. And so the strings were left outside, right? I don't know how to explain this. The ice is propping up the window, right? And so the strings that are tied to the nails were leading to the outside, holding something. Like, I don't know what yet, but it could have been holding something. Maybe like that's how the person climbed up here. They were using strings tied to these nails, but I doubt it would hold a whole body. So it could have been a weapon or something.
There are dolls nailed all over the walls and floor.
I was gonna say this too. Maybe the nails, or I mean the dolls, are propped up in specific places so that they could walk without leaving footsteps or something. You know, stepping on the dolls. They just put some more on the walls and stuff to make it seem a part of the aesthetic, but it could be on the floor so they could get around.
What a ghastly sight. All the dolls here look antique. They're looking at me as if they're full of hate.
Well, they are, bro. They're full with nails.
It would have taken a ton of time to do all this by hand.
You saying it wasn't done by hand?
Why would the culprit go to the trouble to do this?
Maybe it's to link it back to the urban legend about the Nail Man.
All you need to do is write down the name of someone you wish dead. Someone you hate. Then make a doll resembling. This summons the Nail Man, who will kill that person for whoever is killed by the Nail Man.
But
They don't
why would
need
the
to hear all
culprit
that
go
again.
through so much trouble to imitate an urban legend?
Because the urban legend isn't real? He's trying to find someone else to blame it on? It's pinned by Jonas now.
Or maybe it's the real Nail Man.
Okay. Stop, bro. Calm down.
Now I'm scared. I told you I'm not good with occult and horror stuff.
What is wrong with her? Like, her whole personality is just a gigantic contradiction, bro. Anything else up here? Let's check the door.
This is the only door in the room. The lock is broken. They say the door was locked from the inside when the body was discovered. That must mean the Peacekeepers broke the lock to get inside. So the inner lock is the type where you turn a latch. I don't see any evidence of it being tampered with. There's a keyhole on the outside of the door, but it's filled up and rusted. This didn't happen recently. It may have been like this way before the incident.
I would assume so. It's
Hey,
rusted.
why is the keyhole plugged?
They might have figured it was unnecessary. The inner lock is probably left over from when the room needed both locks.
Either way, it doesn't seem like we can open it with a duplicate key or anything.
There's no gap when the door is closed. It'd be hard to tamper with it. The only way to unlock this door is to turn the latch from inside.
So maybe they did escape through the window. How large of an ice would you need? And how would you even place the ice if you're out in the window? Because if you place it before you're out the window, you won't be able to get out. Right? Is there anything up there? What are you doing, bro? Yeah, no, she's really weird. Okay, here's the
I
corpse.
guess I'll have to search the body, huh?
The moment we've all been waiting for. You're lucky you got here before they took it away, aren't ya?
I can't stomach calling myself lucky when I think about the victim.
Look at the way the dolls are placed. Those are like relatively close enough for an adult person to like step to each one, right? So maybe that is what they use it for. But like, why would you need to hide your footprints? Unless maybe he came from outside, his feet were wet or something, and so he stepped in the doll so it wouldn't leave wet footprints on the wooden floor.
This is definitely a real corpse and not a doll.
She looks like she was strangled at some point.
I don't know who this woman is. The Peacekeeper report didn't include any details.
Just go check the forest behind the church, bro. Her name should be there.
But no matter who she is, she didn't deserve this.
I don't know about that. I mean, if someone hated her enough to leave the thingamajigger on the back of the church, then maybe they did something wrong.
Cut the chatter, Master! Hurry, hurry!
This is
scared.
terrible. The body is covered in nails, pinning her to the floor. What's this? There's a mark on the neck.
It looks like a rope burn. The vertical scratch marks were made by the victim as she struggled. A victim usually ends up with marks like this when they thrash around while getting strangled by a rope. It's fairly typical when it comes to strangulation victims. Seen it a bunch of times.
So she was killed by strangulation?
Was there? Oh yeah, I was gonna say that. Like, maybe she died before even being here, and so no, that doesn't make sense because then there would have been body fluids like blood leaving a trail. I was gonna say maybe she was killed outside by strangulation, brought here, then they nailed her body. Well, I suppose that's still a case if she, because yeah, she could have been killed outside, brought here, then put the nails inside, and then that's when the blood would have fell out, so there wouldn't be any traces. I didn't do just locked the door and left through the window, and then left some ice, let it close by itself.
The Peacekeeper report didn't say anything about the cause of death.
I wonder why. It should have been easy to figure out. They didn't investigate at all! They got the chance to see a corpse up close, and they blew it!
In any case, finding out the cause of death is huge.
Maybe it has something to do with those
That should be enough.
doll nails.
And
near the
that's a
window.
wrap!
An investigation can be ended once you finish your own evening. Feel free to stop whenever. I mean, what's the point of giving us the option to end the investigation if we've already literally checked everything?
What's up?
You know,
Okay, but look. From here, step on this one, step on this one, jump from here, step on these, keep stepping, jump to this, step over here, and boom, you're at the window. Then if there's like string attached to this nail,
Looks like there's nothing left to check.
you could have stepped on that and it wouldn't have left anything right there. And then the rest of these are just set up to make it look normal so that you won't guess it. Is there anything outside?
what else is there to check?
I'm just looking around because I don't understand why they would give you an option to end investigation. Like, if I've searched everything, then just shoot a cutscene and move on. If you give me the option to keep looking and then end it, feels like I missed something. New piercings, yellow fibers. There's some marks too. I guess I'll end it.
That should do it for the investigation for now.
Y'all have any ideas? Do you have any ideas?
Without a doubt, this murder crime scene is a locked room mystery. It's an impossible crime. The door was locked from the inside, and the only window had shutters that were also locked. It's a locked room mystery. So cute.
What are you doing?
I'm taking in this luscious locked room atmosphere.
Anyway, let's leave before the Peacekeepers come. They just cause more trouble for us.
Huh? Oh, right.
Finished. I'm gonna walk all over your dead body because I don't care. I actually don't even like your stupid hair. I'm glad you died. You nailed to the ground. How's it feel now that you don't weigh any pounds? because you're not alive. You can't weigh at all. Alright, I'm out.
Speaking of which, what's this ladder over
Yeah, I was
here?
gonna go check that.
Should we take a look?
Yes, bro, there's probably some clues. Please don't do that. Look, it's
There
scary,
doesn't seem to be anything suspicious about it.
I think that kid said his dad was here to fix the clock.
Oh, so that's the clock. Was he about to head back home after fixing it? Or maybe he was just about to start fixing it.
Probably doesn't matter either way. Nothing matters to me besides the locked room mystery.
Well, I'll think about it later. Let's leave this place for now.
No, check it again. Watch me go down here. They be some peacekeepers. Then I gotta try and escape the whole place with some quick time events, bro. Yep, and the fact that they're loading something up lets me know that this is not gonna be easy. They wouldn't need to load anything if there was nothing there. Oh, I'm out. We're good, we're good.
Oh, it's you.
Why are you still here? I said go somewhere safe.
Huh? What's the matter?
What's up? Find a body or something?
Oh, can you not ask a little kid that?
Over here.
So is there really a way to get back there? How did he?
How far does this go? Over here. Are you keeping up, Master?
You know I ain't finna talk to you. This is what I wanted the entire time. Can't get back there. Got it. Which is completely wrong. So why not just go graphic and elevator? Same dialogue. Is there like a door back here? Can you find something? Is there something on the ground? What am I missing, little kid?
While you were checking the clock tower, I took a look around the building,
I'm glad you did that, boy.
and I found these.
What is it, string? Yellow string?
Footprints?
I knew it.
Maybe these belong to the culprit.
What? The culprit?
I'm not sure. Let's check.
Didn't you say your dad was behind here? Because this is where they found him, right?
There are a set of footprints on the wet ground near the wall. But it's only the heel portion. The only thing I can discern is that they weren't sneakers. They could be loafers. But the footprints seem strange.
Oh? What's strange about them?
Look, the footprints are facing the wall. This looks like whoever made them was walking toward the wall.
Crazy word, bro.
You're saying the guy disappeared through the wall? We're dealing with wall-facing man now? First the nail man, and now this! It's a phantom party!
And the end right under that window. Is this just a coincidence?
That's how we got
Or
up.
does it have something to do with the murder?
Was there something in the front of his?
What do you think?
Like, make him climb up?
Are these the footprints of the real culprit?
Well, to be honest, there's not much I can say with just this.
Shouldn't there be something on the walls if
At
he
the
was like
very least,
climbing up or something?
I hope I can prove the footprints aren't his father's. Hey, what kind of shoes does your dad usually wear?
Where's his
Huh?
boots?
His shoes? He usually wears sneakers. He was wearing them today.
Does he ever
that
wear
sounds nice.
loafers?
Sometimes, but not usually.
What is a
It would be
loafer?
one
I've
thing
never
if he
heard that.
didn't own a single pair of loafers. but I can't rule him out yet. Still, I wouldn't want to waste the kid's discovery of these footprints.
Take a picture.
In that case, I'll remember it for you.
Thank you. Doom, doom, doom.
So, do you think you can find the real culprit?
Dee doo doo. I don't know, kid.
Yeah, I think. Maybe. I might need a little more time, though.
I see.
Yeah, I'm sorry, kid.
Oh,
Your
but
father's
don't
doing.
worry. I'll find a way.
Don't promise him that.
Thank you.
I know he's worried about his dad. If he really is innocent, I want to prove it. While I'm at it, maybe I should ask him more about his father. Did you notice anything different about your dad this morning?
My dad went out late last night to work on the clock, so I didn't see him this morning.
He was out since last night. So he stayed the night here?
That's his job.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
His job is to repair clocks?
That's crazy, bro.
He doesn't just repair them, he also sells them. Watches and wall clocks, too.
Oh, so he's a watchmaker.
Wait, the Peacekeeper report said his occupation was unknown.
Maybe it's more convenient for them if they intend to declare him as the culprit of the Nailman murders.
Oh, he's getting framed as the culprit. They made up their minds and dropped the
He's out all night.
investigation.
Almost like he needed time to plant all these
Does
dolls
your dad
everywhere.
also
He's the
manage
culprit.
this clock tower?
Sorry, kid. Your dad's going to
No,
jail.
he only checks on that clock once a year. But yesterday, he got an urgent request to fix it.
So they could set him up. Got
The
it.
clock wasn't keeping time, so he was called to repair it.
Was it not keeping time, or
My
is that
dad
just what they
is
said?
usually happy to repair any clock, but he always grumbles about how much he hates the clock tower.
You gotta be
He
getting
hates it?
big bucks
Why?
to be paid to do this giant clock tower.
Because he's afraid of heights. He's scared of even climbing up the clock tower. But he bites the bullet and does his work without looking outside.
W man. Yeah, that man's love.
Fear of heights. He's afraid of climbing the clock tower and refrains from looking outside, so it sounds serious.
Master, you're improving so much thanks to my training.
Your training has helped zero. Please do not take credit
You're
for my
even
hard
getting
work.
better at pretending to think.
Pretending?
I'm not pretending. I'm serious here.
Oh, the Peacekeeper's coming?
I hear noise outside.
I hear talking. Maybe those guys woke up.
Is it time for the
Let's take a look.
quick time event?
If all the Peacekeepers wake up, they'll be sure to pay you back for this.
I don't see anybody. Oh snap! That person needs to use authority. I mean, look at the ribbons. Oh, we're so screwed. I did not do this, officer. Please don't take me away.
Everyone, please wake up.
Please don't tell me he has a power to just
This
do
is
that.
Amaterasu Peacekeepers, Investigation Team, Section Chief Seth Burrows.
What's up, Seth Burrows? Seth Burrows. He got a monocle on and the other eye is hidden.
You're
77?
late. Please wake up. This is Amaterasu Peacekeepers, Investigation Team, Section Chief Seth Burrows.
Why are you repeating yourself?
Hurry and wake up.
Dang, bro, you're hitting my ear. Hurting me again.
It appears There are fools in town who do not comprehend the majesty of the Peacekeepers. Many of them have been eliminated already, but I've heard some outsiders have recently arrived. Go find witnesses and extract information to see who has interfered with us.
It wasn't me.
They may still be nearby. Capture anyone that even appears suspicious.
Just a normal little kid.
Oh, and did you clean up the body at the crime scene? If not, then hurry along with that. The rain in this city makes bodies rot quickly. You better hurry or it will putrefy.
To speed this case along, we need to quickly deal with that nail man we arrested. We should even consider a public execution.
He looks bad. Okay, change, do something. Like, why are you?
An execution? What do we do?
How did y'all hear that, bro?
This
As far as where y'all were.
This Seth guy doesn't care about the truth. He just wants to wrap up this case as soon as possible.
Me too.
In this city, what they say becomes the truth.
Please! Please!
Get off me, kid! I can't save your father.
The only way to save your dad is to catch the real... But first, we have to leave this area before they
Oh,
find
I
us.
accidentally... Crap. I accidentally pushed the wrong... I pushed the button that was like skipping over everything. Let's see. Please save my dad. The only way to save your dad is to catch the real culprit. I felt like just play it.
The only way to save your dad is to catch the real culprit. I can do it. Leave it to me.
Really? Thank you! Really? Thank you!
But first, we have to leave this area before they find us.
Okay.
I know a secret way out.
Please, bro. I don't want to go
You
through
can
that.
pass through here to get back to a street in Ginma district.
That's how the guy did it.
Might stand out if you're with me, so I'll go a different direction.
Are you sure you'll be okay alone?
Yes, I play around here often. Please help my dad.
Yeah, just you wait. I'll bring some good news
That's
soon.
how the guy left. He came in, maybe? He got in through... Wait, where is it? Am I speaking? Oh, it's over here. Are there any footsteps leading from up here to over here? No, because the footsteps came from the other direction, right? They came from walking in this way. Or... You know what? I'm done. I'm done considering whatever this case is now. Watch there be some guys on the other side, bro. What are you doing here? Nice.
I'm sorry.
She's alright.
Who knew some brat would save ya?
Shut up.
I'm sure.
Would you be more libido conscious? What? Nobody said that, bro. You're disgusting. Don't. Can we change the music? I want to feel like I'm not in a stressed situation right now. Hey, the music changed. And we're safe.
sure you want to be so quick to make promises?
Yeah, of course I do.
I'm not very confident, but I can't ignore someone asking for help. If no one else is willing to listen, then it's up to me.
Wow! Get a load of this big shot. Didn't expect that from you, Master.
Where is the
But
forest
how do you
behind
plan
the
to find
church?
the real culprit? We can't
So you
investigate
can
the
at
clock
least know
tower
who
with the
this was,
peacekeepers
bro.
around. By the way, you can't use the mystery labyrinth yet. Not enough clues. If you jump into the labyrinth now, you'll be lost forever. You need to gather more solution keys.
I don't ever want to go back there anyway.
Right, bro?
Then,
Forget
how do you
yourself.
intend on solving this?
With my brain.
There is one way.
There is.
You're gonna rely on that one, huh?
No, I'm not,
Always
bro.
depending on
Please.
someone else.
Don't get her, bro. We're good enough without her.
What was the
Plus,
spot
we don't
again?
have $5 million.
Something about a cafe? If you let them take the lead, you're gonna be out 5 million yen, right?
Exactly. Which
Do
is.
you have that kind of money,
Not
Master?
a lot of funds.
Or are you gonna go into debt?
Stop, sir. Ha ha ha. I have the right away. Loser. Alright, where is this church? I must find it. Is there a forest back here? No. Is this even a church? What is this place again? Where is the church? And where's the forest behind it? Where is the church? Where is the forest behind it? Boom, 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 boom. Stop, you measly car. What did you do?
Now's not the time to be heading over there. Back it up. Back it up.
Oh!
Restoring the building.
get
Why do you
it.
say this a lot? Oh! It rains 24/7. No wonder the place is a wreck. Wake up. Nice. Is there actually something that way? Actually, let's see if I can go through.
Not this way.
It's not this way. Hey. How unfortunate. Menu? What's on it? Ding-a-lung-a-ling-long. Hello, ma'am. Which one do I choose? The one on the right. $20% off. What does it say? Leeson Widow? Lewin Smedal? Lewin? Leeway. Stop, sir. I'm gonna need you to stop your car. I take priority here. Thank you. Go on, peasant.
Master, you already passed it.
Gosh, I don't want to lose money. Knock, knock, knock. I win. Hot Nikuman? What's a Nikuman? What's a Nikuman? Welcome. So, I'm gonna be real with you, right? I'm trying to get your number. Is there any way we can make that happen? You need me to work your shift a little bit, or clap your booty cheeks, like just smack him for the one time? How do I get your number? You want me to buy something? I'll take 4 of your eclairs, 1 muffin, and 2 of these jelly-filled donuts.
Halara, please.
Hollera.
Help
Let me holla at you.
If Master is bowing to show respect, I guess I better do the same.
What is you doing right
Please,
now, girl?
for both our sakes.
What the crap, bro? Do you have the money? No, I do not.
You're 30 minutes later than expected.
Well, that's because I don't really need you for real. If I really wanted to do this. I mean, I respect you. I still believe you're hurt.
So,
Which is
you
why I'm
have
here.
the cash.
Alright, let me get on my seat. I'm dipping, bro.
I don't have any on me right now, but I will eventually.
No, you won't, bro. Where are you gonna get that kind of money from?
I don't require you to have it immediately, but you will pay me 5,500,800 Yen
No.
eventually.
Get up, bro. Get up. We can't do this, bro.
Huh?
We can't do
But
this.
You said it was 5 million before.
Because we took 30 minutes, the price was
It's an
rising.
additional fee for making me wait.
Exactly.
And
What
for
the
the coffee.
crud, bro? I paid for
I
the
told
coffee
you I don't
too?
work for cheap.
Bro, get up. I don't want to work with her.
Come on.
So rootless. A greedy little money
Like,
king.
bro, we don't even need her for real.
I think
think
I'll
not
call
only
this
you're
one
going to someone we
Aura.
don't need, you're costing me money, bro.
I won't force your hand. Whatever you decide is up to you. While you think it over, I'm going to order some cake.
Best believe
Wait.
if they give me an
do I have to
actual
pay for that
choice,
too?
I'm not.
Of course. I'll add it to the bill.
What the crud, bro? You can't just
Alright,
increase
I'll
the
pay
price
you
if you
all
always said it as something.
5.5
bro.
million and 800 Shin. Got it?
Oh my gosh,
Please don't have the cake.
It's a
bro.
deal.
Bad stuff. It's
You
not
made a
like
wise choice.
it'd be different if it was something like you're hiring somebody and you have to pay for all their expenses. That isn't this. I'm requiring your services for something specific. You already gave a price. You can't be adding on to that out of nowhere just because you're spending stuff.
I have no obligation to help others, but I work sincerely according to the payment I receive. That is my pride as a detective.
My money.
I will be your eyes and limbs, and help solve this crime with everything I have.
my money, bro.
However, know this. You must be the one to complete the boy's assignment.
I'm in debt, bro.
Me?
You are the one who was asked to solve this case.
Oh, my
Please provide
money.
support.
Oh, my money.
You may be a trainee, but you are still a detective. Once you have taken a job, you must finish
I'm
it.
poor.
In other words,
I'm
as
so
of
poor.
now, I am taking up a position as your assistant.
Oh, my
You'll
money.
be my assistant?
Of course, I'm here to assist for your case. Just rest assured in the cards you've been dealt.
All right. Thank you.
Master has no memory and no guts. And now he has no money either. Talk about a triple threat!
Oh, be quiet. So, what do we do now?
To confirm, our target is the true culprit of the Nailman killings, correct?
The Peacekeepers have decided that the boy's father is the Nailman and arrested him. But I refuse to accept that outcome.
After we finish the investigation, we may find out the boy's father is actually the Nailman.
If that's what you conclude, then I'll believe you, Halara.
Believe. What a foolish line of reasoning. To believe in another is the shallowest concept one can uphold. All people lie. All people change their minds. As a detective, you must suspect all others.
I changed my mind on working with you. Give me my money back.
A detective must doubt everything.
Still, I will believe what you say, Halara. I trust my instincts on this.
Out of the question. A detective must never overlook a mystery. Any and all truths must be exposed. A detective must always prioritize solving a case. Emotions must be discarded to reach a perfect solution through a perfect deduction.
That's the WDO's.
You're free to think of me as you wish. However, the truth must be found with your own eyes. Otherwise, there is no point in continuing as a detective. Do you understand?
Good, I don't want to be a
Yes.
detective.
Continuing as a detective. I still haven't found meaning in being a detective. What's Alara trying to make me see? I'm no good at this.
A naive guy like yourself might be incompatible with such a straight-laced detective like this one. Maybe someone totally unmotivated would be better. Like that guy sleeping under the piano.
Vivia? I'm not sure if unmotivated is the right word.
Anyway, Master, I've been wondering... Is this Halara person a man or a woman?
Bro, I low-key been questioning the same thing, bro.
Now that you mention it,
I can't deduce
I
it.
have no idea.
One of the hardest mysteries, bro.
If you're ready, we'll start the investigation. I won't allow time to be wasted.
Oh, right.
You missed your chance to ask. But then again, I also don't really care.
You finished investigating the clock tower, didn't you? Now we will investigate the past Nailman cases.
The past ones?
These are serial killings, aren't they?
Oh, so you want to investigate the past murders as well?
And through investigating each one, we can conclude if the boy's father is really the culprit or not.
Oh, but we don't know where the other crimes took place. Should we ask around town?
I already know. There are at least 3 additional crime scenes. A secret club in Kamasaki district, a mansion in a high-end residential district, and an art gallery in Gima district.
How'd she figure that out? With her forte or something?
When did you find that out?
You think I did nothing while waiting at the cafe?
Yeah, honestly
I
speaking.
prepared by gathering intel in order to move the investigation along.
That's amazing.
Not really anybody could have done it,
With my logic, anything is possible.
I guess.
But before we head to past crime scenes, the Nailman urban legend requires more research. Let's visit the legend's main stage.
The church, the force behind
Main
the church, right?
stage. Oh, you mean the church?
Thank you, finally, bro.
I
You could have
have
just
to
went
pinpoint
there.
the
You did
church's
not need
location.
to like.
We should ask someone
Ask
to
her,
guide us
bro.
there.
Here's what I'm
We should
saying,
ask
bro.
the
I literally
chief.
said just go there. You can find out the culprit's name and yada yada yada, bro. And here you are. You went to her, which we didn't even need to do, and now you're in debt, bro. Oh my gosh, what a bad detective.
Oh, I totally forgot about him. He told me to gather everyone. Halara, let's go back to the office for now. We're already way past the meeting time.
Very well. We can ask the chief to take us to the church.
She's not gonna follow me, is she? I see, she is. Dude, this is how much riz I have. People just follow me, bro. W-Wiz. I got people following me every single day. It's not really stalkerish. Yeah, people love to follow me because I got W-Wiz. Oh my goodness, when I said sending them a kiss, because they really want me and they know that I am him. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
It's the Peacekeepers.
What the? How
Stay
did they
hidden.
get there?
Huh? Oh, right.
They're coming this way, bro. Move.
Chief. And that peacekeeper from the clock tower.
Seth Burrows. A high-ranking Peacekeeper. He's quite infamous for being sly and persistent.
How did they find the
Well,
item,
we sure got some heavy rain again, huh? The humidity makes my hair fuzzier than normal.
I don't care.
Huh? What did you say?
I don't care. More importantly, you sent your detectives to interfere with the Nailman case, didn't you? We have witnesses.
Nailman? Now that you mention it, there was a case like that before. Oh, wait, no. I don't know anything.
This flower, it's beautiful, isn't it?
I suppose.
Huh?
Created by Amaterasu Corp's research, this precious work of art is adapted to Kanai Ward's environment. But unfortunately, once picked, it can only maintain its beauty for 3 hours. When something beautiful withers, it fills me with an inexplicable sorrow. I feel so sad that... It makes me want to sink a ship.
That's crazy, bro. Don't do anything crazy now.
I don't follow.
The Nailman affair will be handled by the Peacekeepers. You and your team will withdraw immediately.
Otherwise,
Bring in the
just-
detectives you sent out. The Peacekeepers will take custody of them.
No.
Hold on! I don't know what detectives you're talking about, and I don't know where any of them are.
I'll wait until this flower withers. You have 3 hours. I'll not wait a second longer. If you fail to meet my demands, you will suffer the same fate as this flower.
Fine, I get it, but... Can't you give me more time?
He's gone.
Chief Yako, are you all right?
Oh, Yuma. And Halara, too. Yeesh, this is bad. Listen, the Peacekeepers just came by.
I know. We were watching from over there.
Huh? You were watching? You could have at least helped me out. Hold on. Are you two the detectives they were talking about?
No, definitely not.
I'm sorry. It's a long story, but it was probably us.
Weird.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! Why? What's going on?
It's exactly as the Peacekeeper said. We are currently pursuing the Nailman case. We'd like to search around the church. I was about to ask you to take us there, but you seem rather busy.
Yeah, I'm real busy now, thanks to you two!
Calm
You're gonna
down,
keep
bro.
investigating?
It's all
Not gonna help your
good.
chief out of a jam?
Nah, I'm good,
Look,
bro.
we've got 3 hours before I'm taken away. If that happens, the last detective agency in town is done for.
We'll just start
Would
a
you
new
rather
one.
hand us over to the Peacekeepers?
Who do you think you're talking to? I'm the chief. I'd rather turn myself in than ever sell anyone out.
Then good luck in jail, bro. 'Cause,
Though,
I'm not
I
doing
wouldn't
it.
want to do that either, if I'm being honest. Never mind. Forget what I just said.
Man, he does not know when to stop.
What should we do, Halara?
There's only one person who'll be taken into custody. It's not the chief, not us. It's the Nail Man.
No, that man's going to die when I
You will
use my
find the real culprit and turn the
machine gun.
murderer over to the Peacekeepers as originally planned. With enough evidence, they will have no room to reject the truth.
But we only have 3 hours.
That's more than enough
3
time.
hours is more than
I
enough.
only need 50
I will give my
seconds.
utmost effort as your assistant. With my logic, anything is possible.
With your logic, can I
I
get
don't
him in
really
the
get
cheeks?
it, but
Is that possible?
it seems best to leave it to you two.
I'm just
You
following
said
number
you wanted
one's
to go to
orders,
the
bro.
church? Let me mark it on the map.
Yes, sir. So they always
It's for
knew
the best that I don't
about
tag
the
along.
submarine
If we're
ship?
seen together, things will get even more sticky.
Why don't they just come raid this
I'll
place?
be right here, waiting for good news. I'm counting on you.
Got it. We're off.
3 hours. You've got 3 hours to solve the case. Seriously, I'm counting on you. There's still so much I need to do.
Is that your girl, homie? Now, where do we go? Where is the map? Where do we go? Where is the map? I keep hitting my microphone. Gumshoe grab. What'd they say this was for? Oh, the memory.
It's
Request.
a detective's responsibility to help those in need.
Outlines, ongoing request. Solved. Okay. Kanesaki District. Am I right?
You can get to the church from Kamasaki District. Time is short.
Let's hurry!
The only thing short.
Huh? You sure you want to take a detour? Don't you want to save Buzzhead? Come on, over here!
You're supposed to go this way? Are you leading the way?
Let's hurry to the church!
Hey, man. This is it. Ooh.
So the Nailman urban legend originated at this church.
There aren't any ghosts here, are there? It's safe, right?
What's the matter, Halara?
I hate churches. I find them devoid of value.
Huh? Why is that?
Because prayer is obviously inferior to payment. Just look at the tragedies the city has seen. There is no God to save you. The lost lamb should look to detectives for help instead, don't you think?
I
Incorrect.
don't know about that. Depends on the individual.
Forget it. For now, let's talk to the people around the church.
Will they even listen to us?
They can't say no if we say we're on assignment for the Peacekeepers.
You
Is it
wanna
okay to
lie?
lie like that?
Inside of the church?
Whether it's okay or not is secondary. Our priority is to solve the case. In order to achieve that, deception is at times required. Now, let us educate those who are here that their true savior isn't beyond the rain clouds.